look. So now we're already in the other Airbnb. Look, it's not the same. It's another one. Yo, see, bro? Look, it's a different kitchen. A different microwave. A different what? In the world. Okay. So like anything. Like yeah. Over here. But it smells a bit odd. Anyways. Hey look, that's where we were. We were that one. Okay, yeah, we are over here now. Which is great. It smells fresh, but a little bit odd. Yeah. Okay, so probably might turn good. It's like, yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna eat a little snack. So like, bye-bye.